Hey guys, Monday. It's the 8th day of the month of December. We're heading out. It's our fourth day. Let's head out. Sunny day, guys. Parang baliktad. Highest is 5. Lowest is negative.
Hey there, what you drinking?
Dito na tayo sa Palace. Now, what we're going to do is to look for a hanbok rental. Paglabas mo pa lang nga, meron na kaagad dito mga rentals ng hanbok.
Drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go
Should
slow,
we
go
buy?
fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it.
So, dahil lahat ng mga tao doon nag-rental sa first, naghanap kami ng medyo feeling namin walang tao. So, feeling ko dito, yan, yung area niya, walang masyadong tao. So, para priority tayo. Wow! So, let's try. Let's go. Okay, dito na lang daw. Sa may side. So, nagmamatter lang talaga yung variation or yung dami ng designs natin. Okay, so ito na napili natin. So, check natin kung magkano.
The left side.
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
50,000.
Okay. And
Okay.
this one, 45,000.
45. Wow.
Here, 45,000. 50,000. Here, 25,000 over here.
The 25,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
Is this the size?
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
so lady choose and then you choose the
The
color
partner, yeah.
matching together.
Okay. Got
You
it.
can leave your bag in the laptop too.
Okay, thank you. Or red. Something red.
Hey guys, so for today, magsusuot tayo ng traditional Korean dress
The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Okay guys, so mag-change na tayo ng outfit. Dito. Lang pa tayo ng headgear, tsaka ng shoes.
So guys, pagka naka-handbook ka, free entrance na dito sa Palace. Daming tao. Lakad ka na sa iyong Castillo. So, hanbok and ticketed. And so visitors wearing hanbok can enter without ticket. So, supposedly 3 hours yung pwede pa namin i-allocate. Pero, mabilis lang tayo mag-shoot. So, it's only 12:30 in the afternoon. And babalik na tayo. Change up para mas marami pa tayo mapunta. Okay, ramen. Ayan. Sorry. Kaya.
Okay, fine.
One lang.
Okay.
So, we're having ramen for lunch. Napasobra tayo ng egg. Pero okay lang kasi 36,000 lang siya. So, parang 1-2.
Or, yeah.
Yeah, parang 1-2 lang for 2. So, that's not the bad price. We're gonna taste the chasu. Sobrang lambot niya, guys. Melts in your mouth. Wow. So, bumaba tayo ng Jegidong Station. And maglalakad tayo papunta sa market. Because what we are about to do is we will be visiting a secret Starbucks. Yeah. But not secret. Okay, gusto ko yung luya na yan. Finally guys, nakita na namin.
Ay, wait lang.
Oh, this is the hidden Starbucks in the market. Let's go. This Starbucks, dati siyang cinema na ginawa nilang Starbucks. Coffee shop. So, di ba? So, it's a cinema na kinonvert nila into a coffee shop. So, this is our view, guys. Manonood tayo ng mga taong nagkakape doon. Okay, waiting tayo sa viewing. Imagine nyo guys kung yung sinihan sa Recto ginawang ganun. For sure, dadayuhin ng tao yun. So guys, nandito tayo sa Dongmyo Flea Market. So, nandito yung mga murang mga stuff. Parang ukay-ukay area nila. 30,000 lang. 30,000 is 1-2. Coats.
Parang dito sa coat ko.
Mhm.
Meron pala dito.
This is a really nice coat. Scrambling here. Ah, that's nice. That's so bagay sa MRT. Ano, inline ka sa mga tao na naka-all black. 400 pesos or 10,000. So instead of buying sa mga department store or shops sa Manila, dala ka lang ng isang set. Tapos dito ka na lang bumili. Nag-shopping pa siya sa Mango. 50% off, pero magkano?
4-5. Naka
4-5. So makakabili ka ng at least 9 or 10 na items here. So you don't need to, parang isang layer lang ng tip deck tapos yun. So pwede.
And hey, 5,000 lang siya. Look.
5,000. Look at that. Ayoko na dito guys. So bilhin lahat.
Where else? Doon, I'm check.
이거 세탁된 거야. 그냥 입으면 돼. 세탁된 거, 세탁. 올해 이게 다 된 거라고, 빨래.
Sikat ka, para makita mo.
Guys, namili tayo! For 15,000 won. So, meron tayong haul for today. Goodbye, 600 pesos for a jacket. So, we're here at Dongdaemun Design Plaza. So, ang pinupuntahan talaga dito ng tao yung architectural design. Pero siyang spaceship. Arizona Bee. Budots.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open.
Alas 6 pa lang, so we're moving to our next destination.
Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. but I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender.
What are we ordering? So, may entrance fee na $20. Ay, 20.
Credit card?
20,000.
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens.
Ito yung pinala natin 20,000 So, this is the welcome to King's Cross School of Magic graduation test. So, you need to answer this to be able to get something out of it. So, para siyang Mystery Manila kind of activity. So, there's a key that is also, hindi ba pen to? Yeah, it's also a pen. We have, what's this? Is this a sticker? A sticker. This is a review event. We got another sticker. We got an envelope. Oops. We get the seal. And an intense scroll. Kung paano gamitin. And this will be our map. So, floor guide. Happy birthday!
No, actually, happy birthday.
Birthday wizard!
Happy birthday. Because supposedly this was your birthday trip.
Yay! Hinahawakan ba ito? Paano hinahawakan? Looky! Happy
Cute.
birthday! I'm a wizard!
Yay! You're a wizard. Shut up! No.
Tibay niya! What happened here? Seated area. Someone's at the door! Warning, loud sound. Oh shit! So this is a live documentation of a woman, 43 years old, here at the dungeon. Doon, dito ka muna. Doon. Doon sa flickering light. Not that door, this door.
Wait lang! Stop open!
Ha? Ito, this door. Yung mga, may mga paano nga eh. Tapos,
Routine!
bilis!
Ano to?
Wala.
Ayoko!
Wala yan. Bubukas lang yan. Darating si Harry.
Ano ka na bubuksan?
Hindi eh. Stand ka lang. Babasahin mo lang siya.
Dangerous. It's dangerous for magical.
Wala pa nga eh.
Video. Okay, ready. Okay.
We're in Everland! Yay!